This past weekend, Motown Raceway hosted their normal first Saturday of the month 32nd scale slot car race. The locals were there, including Frankie, Larry, and Braden. Even Kiwi Mike made the trip over from San Jose after hosting last weekend at Silicon City. Motown has recently started a rookie racing league program, and two of the racers from that program decided to join us. We want to welcome Ryder and Bentley. Motown rotates 32nd scale between 9 classes. For this race, we ran our newest class, Classic LeMans, Racer Sideways Group 5, and Formula 1. The format for Motown is that we race 3 classes in a day. 2 classes use qualifying to sort the mains, and the last class is a round robin. After qualifying, the first race of the day was for the Expert Division of the Le Mans Classics, followed by the Pro Division of the Le Mans Classics. When the racing was completed, Braden had taken all 3 wins in the pro classes. Both of our newcomers, Bentley and Ryder, did great, and Ryder even took home a podium in his first race. For complete results, check out the Motown Raceway Facebook page. Thanks everybody for watching NorCal Slot Car Scene, and we'll see you at the racetrack.